Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 2, GUI Operating System Desktop Management. So open your computer book, page number 14. Previously, we have learnt about graphical user interface and operating system, features of Windows 10, taskbar, jump list feature, steps to customizing the taskbar, icons, changing color of the computer screen, and changing date and time. And today, we will do the topics setting volume of speaker and use of shortcut menu on page number 19. So the main objectives of the day are how to set volume of the speakers and what is the use of shortcut menu. So on page number 19, our first topic is setting volume of speakers. Students, speakers are an output device which are used to listen music or any other sound. Two speakers are attached to a computer, and to increase the volume of the speakers, we are having two steps. The first step is click on speakers icon on the notification area, and second is drag the slider. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. So students, you can see that the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. The right side of the taskbar, where the date is displaying, is known as notification area. From this notification area, we are having the speakers icon. So to set the volume of the speakers, our first step is click on speakers icon, and you can see that already we have set the volume to 100%, and to increase or decrease the volume of the speakers, we will drag this slider to the left or right side. When we will drag this slider to the left side, the volume of the speakers will be decreased, and when we drag this slider to the right side, the volume of the speakers will be increased. So this is the way to set the volume of the speakers on Windows 10. So our next topic on page number 19 is use of shortcut menu. Students, when you right click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, and that pop-up menu is known as context menu or shortcut menu. So now we can right click on different areas of the desktop, and firstly we will do the right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. When we right click on the blank area of the desktop, then the figure 2.6 appears on the screen, and at the bottom of this screen we are having the personalize option, which is used to change the settings of the desktop according to our requirement. So this pop-up menu is also known as context menu or shortcut menu. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. So students, we will right click on this blank area of the desktop. Blank means empty area. So you can see that when we will do right clicking on the blank area of the desktop, then this pop-up menu will appear on the screen, and this pop-up menu is also known as context menu or shortcut menu. Now we are going to click on the personalize option, So when we click on the personalize option, the settings dialog box will appear on the screen. And from this dialog box, you can do the settings according to your requirement. So we are going to change the background of the screen by applying a picture. You can see that here we are having the 5 pictures. We can click on any picture according to our requirement. So I am going to click on the second picture. And you can see the changes also side by side. Our screen of the desktop has changed. Similarly, you can click on any other picture also and observe the changes. After changing the background of the screen, we will click on this close button to close the settings dialog box. And now, we will right click on any other objects on the desktop. Object means we can right click on any file or folder or any other program icon also. So here you can see in this figure 2.7, we have right clicked on this PC icon, and when you will right click on this PC icon, again a pop-up menu will appear on the screen, and this pop-up menu is also known as context menu or shortcut menu. Only one difference is there. When you will right click on the desktop, then at the bottom we are having the personalize option, and when we right click on any object, then at the bottom of the pop-up menu we are having the properties option. So let's do its practical on Windows 10. So students, at the top left corner you can see this PC icon. So right click on this icon and a pop-up menu will appear on the screen, which is also known as context menu or shortcut menu. And here we will click on the properties option. After clicking on the properties option, system dialog box will appear on the screen, which will give the basic information regarding this PC icon. So it will display which processor we are using, how much RAM we are having, what is the system type, what is the computer name, etc. So this PC icon will display the information regarding the system. And now click on this close button to close this system dialog box. And now we will do the identification of this icon, and this icon is known as speakers icon. So students, today I have discussed about setting volume of speakers and use of shortcut menu. So do reading of the page number 19 and do practice on Windows 10. Thank you and have a nice day.